So this is the equation we have, and we need to find the second derivative. So we first need to find the first derivative. In here we need to do the quotient rule. So it's the one on the bottom times the derivative of the one on the top, which is 3 minus 4t minus the one on the top times the derivative of the one on the bottom, which is -1. All of this divided by 1 minus t, we need to square it. So we need to simplify this so it's easier to find the second derivative. And in here we can multiply, it's 3t squared minus 4t. And here it's minus 3t cubed plus 4t squared. And here we just cancel out this with this is positive, so it's plus t3 minus 2t squared of this divided by 1 minus t squared. Simplify this and we get it's this by this, it's -2 cubed. This is plus 5t squared, and we only got -4t. All of this divided by 1 minus t squared. This is the second derivative, the first derivative I mean. So now we need to find the second derivative. So second derivative, we also have now we have also a quotient as the one in the beginning, so we need to start with a quotient rule, which is the one on the bottom times the derivative of the one on the top, which is -6t squared plus 10t minus 4 minus which is the one on the top, -2t3 plus 5t squared minus 4t times the derivative of the one on the bottom, which is, this is a chain rule, so it's 1 minus t, it's 2 minus 1, and times the derivative of the one in parentheses, which is -1. All of this divided by 1 minus t squared, and then we squared this again. So now we simplify this and we get in here we can start by simplifying this, and we'll get 1 minus t squared minus 6t squared plus 10t minus 4. And in here we have a negative and negative, so we can get rid of this, and this is a plus. And now we have plus 2 times -2t3 plus 5t squared minus 4t times 1 minus t. All of this over 1 minus t to the 4th power. So in here we can see that we have 1 minus t in both sides, but we have a plus sign in the middle, so we can't delete both of them. So what we can do is we have 1 on this side and 2 on this side, so we can eliminate this one of this, and 1 of this. So we get rid of this, we get rid of all of this, and we get rid of only 1 of this. So we get 1 minus t times -6t squared plus 10t minus 4 plus, and we can multiply this, plus we have minus 4t third plus 10t squared minus 8t. But in here, because it's a plus sign, we can eliminate the plus sign and the parentheses. And all of this over 1 minus t to the 3rd power. And now we can just eliminate and simplify what we have left. In here we need to multiply, this is we need to use FOIL, and it'll be -6t squared plus 10t minus 4, and then it's plus 6t third to the third power minus 10t squared plus 4t, and we just copy this the same, minus 4t to the third power plus 10t squared minus 8t, all of this over 1 minus t to the third power. And now we just get rid of, we put them together with common factors. And so we get the common we can eliminate some of this by putting them with common factors. So we get 2t to the cube, and then we have the squared ones, which are these ones. This and this eliminate, and we get minus 6t squared. Now we get the ones with the t, which we get plus 6t, and at last we get the negative 4, all of this over 1 minus t to the third power, and we can get a common factor from all of this, which is 2, so it's 2 times t3 minus t, okay, plus 3t minus 2, all of this over 1 minus t to the third power, and this is our second derivative.